Back at the Kiss and Cry with Bob Dunlop, Senior Director of Events for United States Figure Skating. Now, Bob, this is a pretty exciting year. You have Worlds coming to Boston. Now, everybody knows about the World Championships, but what about the city? Why should people come all the way to North America from around the world? Tell us a little bit about Boston.
Yeah, Boston's a world-class city, as you said, easy to get to, East Coast United States. We did our U.S. Championships there and just in the last 2 years, and it's a real vibrant city, a lot of culture, a lot of history in the United States. By European standards, still a young city, but by North American standards, one of the oldest. So it's a must-see, a lot of art galleries, and it's a rich skating history. Over 100 years of history in that city, and when we hosted our championships, we honored our 100-year anniversary of the sport.
Well, Boston's a great sporting city. Boston Bruins, they've got the Boston Celtics, they've got, and of course, the Boston Red Sox. This is a great sporting city with a great sporting event. Tell us about, you feel the tickets are doing well so far?
Tickets are doing outstanding already. We're not even at single session ticket sales point. That'll happen in the next 30 days, but all event tickets, packages are going really well. And again, I think people do understand that there is a great city to host this. The venue, as you discussed, is a world-class venue, over 18,000 seats, is very used to hosting these types of events. And so, yeah, I mean, we're very happy where we stand right now in preparations.
Now, once the fan gets there, what can they expect from a fan experience?
Well, and we've developed, I think, a lot of opportunity with working with the ISU, but, again, learning what we've done domestically, we want to do that for the international audience, make it fun, fill some time in between sessions. Right outside of the arena, people will have the option to walk outside in the old north end of Boston, and great restaurants, great shopping. It's easy to get to. If you're staying in other parts of the city, you can take a subway right to the arena. But in terms of an arena, I think we've hosted this event in the past. We've learned a lot through that experience. And again, we want to make it entertaining for the athlete. We want to make it mostly entertaining for the fans who are sitting there. And so great videos, great interactive experiences in the arena, a lot of just constant movement in the arena. I think people will notice that and have fun with it.
Well, it's a great city and a great event. Bob Dunlop, Senior Director of Events from the United States Figure Skating. We'll be back right after this.